This is Rental Neighbors at 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It is Thursday, May 23rd. Actually, my mother's birthday. God rest her soul. Look at what I'm doing, Ma. Anyways, this is flush number 9. I think. 8 or 9. I think it's 9. We're up to 9 now. I think we just did 8. It hasn't moved the stuff out of the line into the wet well. And there's even a wad setting at the turn, that 90-degree turn. It's sitting in that plumbing in there. Anyways, here we go. Flush number 9, I believe this is. If it's only flush 8, I'll correct it in the next video. All right. Okay, flush number 9, coming on down the pike. It's not moving that poop wad out of the turn down there. In 8 flushes, it hasn't moved it out promising. The flow is just weak. Because the load is got the pipe. Oh, there we go. Well, maybe a little something, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Don't get my hopes up. There's a little piece of poo-poo. Widen the stance on this tripod so the wind won't blow it over. And I'll let this continue to record while I go see if it moved that wad out of the line down there in the turn. The wad is still there. I don't know if all of it, but substantial amount. I can't get a good focus on it because I just can't for some reason. Anyway, this completes flush number 9. I'm going to let it drain the pipe out, come back in a few minutes and dump the bucket, and we'll do flush number 10. Over and out.